So in part 4 of our visit to the Scottish Caravan, Motorhome and Holiday Home Show 2020, we had a look at a campervan conversion called Brawbus. We saw it when we were having the look round on the setup day. I thought that was quite interesting. We're going back and have a look at it. But whilst we were there, we got talking to one of the owners of the business, and they were telling us about the conversion itself and how they started out as a motorhome repair business, and they got into conversions, and then they got into the hire business. And it was quite interesting just listening to how that business developed. So if you're interested in campervan conversions, or if you're interested in hiring a motorhome to see how you get on, they've got different sizes of motorhomes. They've got a panel van conversion that you can hire, or there's a larger family sized motorhome that you could hire. Have a look at this video. I think you'll find it interesting. It's obviously attracting a lot of attention, this one, isn't it? This is the Brawbus. Oh yeah. Like a Fiesta, isn't it?
Yeah, you always say that when you get.
I know, but it is. I mean, it reminds me of his sister's Fiesta. But that's the point, isn't it? It's more car-like. Yeah. Leather steering wheel, all the controls on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Controls down there. And it's not too much of a step down either. No. I suppose because it's lowered suspension, isn't it?
Yeah, nice wheels.
Lovely wheels. Yeah, it's got a picture of London skyline.
I thought that's what it was, yeah.
And the Clyde skyline.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it looks like that seat. Is that? Oh, that fold. That's part of the bed, isn't it? I presume. Yeah.
I like the colour scheme.
Yeah, lovely colour scheme. There's a huge area in here, isn't there?
Mm. Let's push right back.
Yeah, that's all the way back. Yeah. And you've got all the pop-up roof and drop-down bed up there. That sort of folds back, doesn't it? So you get even more standing room in here. Loads of headroom. And the bed comes down there. Shelves up there. DeLonghi coffee maker, of course. 2-burner hob and sink, presumably. Yeah. I like this table that comes out here. It's a nice big table, isn't it? Little compressor fridge. Yep. The drawers feel really well made and solid. Yeah. It's very nice. Yeah. The seats at the back. Just an amount of room you've got. More cupboard spaces underneath. Over here. Oh, can't do that one. Can I not do that one with it? I won't try that. Cupboards under there. Slidey thing here. .240 volts, USB, control panel. More locker space at the back. So built on the Clyde.
Well, the Clydebuilt name obviously is synonymous with quality and things like that.
Yeah, and solidity.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And probably in this industry, more importantly, watertightness.
Yeah.
But no, it's a bit of a new venture for us. We've done a few camper vans in the past, but Motorhome Repair Centre is who we exhibit as primarily. We've got a little stand round the side there. We started here about 6 years ago, and it's just been fantastic for us. We got the opportunity to take this stand, and we've brought on a couple of our hire vans, which is another huge part of our business. That's how we actually started in the leisure industry, was with hire. And this is the latest bit. It's building our own coach builds, based on Ford Transit Customs. I think they're a bit different. They're very well equipped. These are the limited, so reversing cameras, sensors, heat seats, blah blah blah, all that. So very well equipped.
They also seats as well.
They also look beautiful. The lines on the inside, they look really cool. This one a little bit more sporty. This one a little bit more.
There's lowered suspension, is there?
No, as far as I'm aware, it's standard suspension. Yep, standard suspension. 2 litre turbo diesels. About 130 brake. Which is pretty good. 6-speed aircon, all that kind of stuff.
I said it's like my sister's Fiesta. bit taller, but
a little bit. Well, that's the thing. There's such a market for this now, whereby people, they don't maybe have 2 cars, and a motorhome is seen as a bit of a burden, whereas this could be your primary mode of transport.
Absolutely.
You can park it in a Morrison's car park bay, or wherever. You can get on the ferries.
We've got a near 8 litre van. So
oh right, what have you got?
We've got a Swift Kentucky Sport.
Cool stuff.
So yes, it's about twice the length of this.
Just a little bit, a little bit more maybe. It's probably double the height too.
That's right. But I love all the bed space up here. It's great.
Bed space is great. They're going to be 2 berths as standard, with the extra bed kit available. At the show we've done them as just 4 berths, done in the price. So, but I think it's quite quirky. You've got a choice of furnishings, flooring, the leather. There's a little bit of freedom.
So you could have an oven if you wanted, for instance, presumably.
That's something that we're looking at also. At the moment it's pretty much a standard. You're going to have your usual upgraded features, electric step, bike rack, solar panel, things like that, but we will be doing extra layouts. We'll be looking at long wheelbase versions as well. Probably not on transits, more like boxers.
But there's so much space in this area here with the seat back, obviously, isn't
Of course, your seat will probably come out to, we leave the table here to give people a guide, because it will finish. So you can pull it up to the table here. To this side of the table, so it is quite a large space, good sized double bed. They're comfy enough, but I would always recommend, for the sake of 30 quid, get a Duvet mattress topper or whatever.
Exactly.
What's the difference right away?
That's right.
Plenty sockets, plenty power. Double twin gang sockets, twin USB, cigarette socket up, 12 volt socket as well.
And it's what's the heating? Is that? So what that is? That's Shroom heating, is that?
No, it's a wee Webasto type system.
Oh right, okay,
It's
run off diesel? Or?
Diesel, pretty efficient, really powerful. It means you can be off grid too. Nice and simple. Obviously, it's got a second battery on board, leisure battery. So it'll charge off of the engine, and it'll charge off of your main consumer unit when you plug in as well. So you can use it in campsites, you can use it off grid also.
Brilliant.
Pretty versatile.
All right, thanks for that. We've probably got a whole video there, you know.
Once I start, I can't stop. So. And the livery, somebody was asking me about the livery. Obviously, it's a very sporty looking model, and we've managed to get the piping and the seats and the canopy to match. The livery is really up to the customer. They can design it as much as they want.
I love the tartan. That's brilliant.
I like that.
So anything you don't like, you can have taken off, and you can put something else on. So and you can see the contrast as well. It's just what we can do, what can be achieved. This one's slightly different. This is what we would call a half wrap. So it's from the side, the middle down. We just put a little stencil on there just to kind of quirky it up. A little bit of a darker furniture. Again, we've got the red piping with the seats.
You've got the double seat there now, haven't you? So
this is the double seat, yes. It's probably a little bit more clunky. Because you're working with double the.
I mean, for 4 people, that's brilliant.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
You've got friends round, or really nice space there.
Optional extras include entry step, an awning, so you can kind of live outside as well.
You get a nice big inflatable awning for this, so
that's right. The one we fit, I believe, is a 2.6 metre Fiamma F45, which comes with the Ford Transit,
and that would
compatible
sit
roof
on
bracket.
the top there, wouldn't it?
And it clears the pop top. but inflatable awnings as well, and driveways and things like that also. So very similar layouts, a couple of changes on spec. And as I say, there will be more layouts coming as well.
Excellent. I love the colour scheme. It's really good.
It's nice.
And
we've darkened the wheels as well. Nothing too much.
No, it's got a bit of a dark silver.
Yep, nothing over the top. And I think on the blue one, they're darkened, but they're just a little bit lighter. Front sensors, rear sensors.
So if you're new to motorhoming campervans, with all the sensors and everything, all the driver aids that you've got.
Yes.
And you're looking at 38,995 here.
Yeah, absolutely. It's obviously a brand new conversion on a 2017 plate-based vehicle.
Right.
We can offer new vehicles, but you're really looking for all the bells and whistles. It's probably starting around about 44.
Right. Okay.
The lead time from Ford we were quoted was about 28 weeks.
Okay.
So this is great because it's the same product. Okay, it's a little bit older, but it's a same brand new conversion, same levels of quality and things like that. For a lot less, sub 40. Which is
it's great. Yeah, I mean you pay that much for blooming cars these days, don't you? Usually.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, that's brilliant. Thanks for that. Yeah, so we've had a chat with David Timmins. And they've also got the Go Explore Scotland.com, and this is one of their rental vans. It's a Hobby Vantana 65. It's 150 brake horsepower one as well. Alloy wheels. But on a camper van. So if you're new to motorhomes, you've never driven a motorhome before, have a look at hiring one. It's what we did when we started. So you've got a lovely little motorhome like this, double bed, the lockers at the back, and the smoke alarms are beeping. Nice big fridge. I don't know if they provide the bottle of wine, but you've got a washroom. It's quite a good size washroom. These hobbies are very stylish. I always find them. Lots of contrasting colours. So you've got a hob and sink in there. This is very stylish, isn't it? Look at the table here.
The table obviously has got a bit that comes out.
Normally
I'm going to go for it again.
No,
okay.
Can't do that one-handed.
Looks like it's designed to.
Somewhere to put your bedding if you want to, or your clothes, or whatever.
Well, you've got a
table.
You've got a
look
fixed
at that.
bed.
Control panels up there. This would be, and it's automatic. It's an automatic here.
So that'd be nice and easy to drive.
And easy to drive.
It's your first time.
For your first time, I know a lot of people watch us and they, they're thinking about vans, thinking about motorhomes. This would be a brilliant one to try, wouldn't it, to start with? Not too big, easy to drive, automatic. Excellent.
You've got your bed at the back.
Your bed at the back.
Cupboards, haven't you?
And there'll be a garage underneath as well. You can see in there, but loads of storage under the bed. It's Truma blown air heating. Controls, you've got USB points. 240 volts I can spy over there. Very nice. And then if you're looking for something with a bit more room in it, you've got the Go Explore Scotland. This is a hobby, and it's got an over-cab bed in it. I'm not sure what model at the moment. Siesta A65 GM. It's a 130 brake horsepower engine. Alloy wheels again. Bank holiday offers 4 days from £595. That's not bad, is it?
Yes, I think it's what we paid years ago.
So you've got an absolutely massive double bed up there. That's enormous. This is a manual one. I don't think the cab seats play much of a part in here, but you've got a fantastic lounge. Size of that table.
Yeah.
3-burner hob, sink, loads of drawer spaces.
Massive drawers.
I think there's an oven there.
That's an oven, yeah.
It's one of those Combi ovens.
This would be your fridge.
And a big fridge.
Oh, drinks in there.
Oh, sandwiches in there.
The sandwiches.
You knew we were coming.
Yeah.
Loads of headspace in here, way up there. Nice cupboards. Moving towards the back.
Yeah, ideal for a family.
Yeah, I mean, if you've got kids, they'd absolutely love these bunk beds.
Got their own little area.
Yeah, curtain to get rid of them when you're fed up with them. And a good sized washroom, and that is a good sized washroom, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's square. Nice sink, toilet, shower space, hanging. You've got a drying rail across the back there. I think this slides across somehow. I'm not going to do it, but got more space over here, more cupboards. That's good, isn't it?
Yeah. Is it a wardrobe this side?
Must be hanging space there. Yeah, plenty of space in here.
Because sometimes some of these sort of 6-berth things don't have much storage space, do they?
No.
Well, that's fantastic.
That is really good. Yeah. So yeah, if you're comfortable driving a bigger motorhome, or you need more space, it may be something you want to have a serious look at. So these people, the same people who made the Brawbus, Go Explore Scotland motorhome rental. Details down there.
We'll come up to Glasgow and then
Yeah, set off for the Highlands.
Scotland, the Wakeshire.
Yeah.
Is what we always do.
Yeah. Set off, yeah. You can head east, west or south from Glasgow?
North.
Or north. North and north.
Yeah.